What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys it's all about Barnbridge. So as you can clearly see, it has slowly and steadily started to pump up in value, 36% up in the last 24 hours, making it just under 11 cents. And yes guys, I haven't made a video on this crypto in a while, but as you guys can clearly see on the 7 days chart, it did take a major drop, going from about $18, $19 even, all the way down to about $10 in a space of a couple of hours. So on the 27th of this month, so in 27th of July, it was worth about $20 around afternoon, and in about, let's have a look, in about an hour or two it dropped nearly half its value. So yeah, that was a major drop, but right now it's slowly and steadily starting to recover. So is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? What its next target is? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and essentially looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website right now, and as you can see, the market is just about 0.5% up, and Barnbridge has managed to gain the top gainers list, and it is the #1 top gainer in the last 24 hours. So let's get straight into it. Let me just change this to USD just to keep it simple and to make it clear. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain a massive 10% in value in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. So guys, 10% may not seem like a lot, but when it's within 1 hour, it's a huge increase. Over the last day, 40%. Over the week, a massive 47% down, guys, meaning half its value has been wiped off in a single week. But we all know most of it was in a couple of hours. Over the month, a massive 326% up. So overall, it is still up, but yeah, as you can see, over the year, when you look at the bigger picture, it's still down 50%. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 160%, making it $162 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Barnbridge. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and a lot of people are confused on what's going on with this crypto. Is it still worth investing into it? Is it going to crash again? So on and so on. And I can see that a lot of people are also starting to buy the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype over the last couple of months and weeks as well. But yeah, let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Barnbridge at $10.91. However, we can see it's trading at a slightly higher value at about $11.30, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let me zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have? We do have the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning minimal increases in value are expected over the coming hours. So let's say by midday to tomorrow afternoon, we should expect an overall increase in value on Barnbridge, but again, nothing too crazy. It is going to be a minimal and steady increase in value. Again, do expect dips in between. We are going to see green candles, we are going to see red candles, but all that matters is the overall outcome, which in this case seems to be more on the positive side. So potentially heading to about $12 to $13 is what I'm expecting by midday tomorrow, or maximum hitting about $14.50. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we are still looking bullish, still looking positive, but we are not looking too steep, so we're just about slanting towards the positive direction. So once again, minimal gains in value are expected over the coming days. So let's say by next weekend, so the end of next week, we should expect it to be around $17 to $18. However, that does not mean we're going to be hitting green candles every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now daily chart, what can we see here? Now we're not looking too great. Looks like we have taken a U-turn here. We got the blue line and the orange line looking negative, going in a bearish direction. However, The main reason for that is the major drops that's taken place over the last couple of days. The graph thinks, you know what, is going to keep dropping, is going to keep going down in value over the long run as well. However, that is not the case. Crypto has been very volatile, but Barnbridge especially has been quite volatile over the last few days, with major drops, major peaks in between as well. But again, the chart itself is confused. What I am expecting over the coming weeks, I'm talking about early September to mid-September, is a slow and steady increase in value on Barnbridge. Again, yes, red candles are part of the process, dips are always always part of the process, peaks are always part of the process as well, but all that matters is the overall outcome, and as long as it's positive, that's all that matters. So in this case, again, I am expecting an overall increase in value by early to mid-September. But again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs with major crashes, major pumps. These things are not expected. Hopefully we won't see any major crashes, but obviously if I am expecting or I am predicting something like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis to see where it's heading to next. But as you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, which is not looking too great, guys. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least about $38, which we are too far away from at the moment. We're going to have to go at least about 320% increase from the current price range, which again, I am not expecting for the rest of the year on Barnbridge. But again, if they do have a major collaboration or project coming up that can have a potential positive impact on the value of Barnbridge, then yes, it will. But other than that, it's very difficult for it to hit the green zone this year. So more or less for the rest of the year, it's likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. But as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive direction, we should be good. But yeah, so far so good, guys. We should be moving in a positive direction. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. What I want you guys to do now is comment down below what your predictions and your expectations are on Barnbridge. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto, saying it's a pump and dump token, it's a scam, and others are, saying they've made a decent amount of profit, especially with how it was pumping over the last couple of weeks until obviously the drop took place. They probably on a loss, but it's slowly starting to recover right now. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel, and especially all of you guys who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. Thank you guys so much, as it means a lot and helps me out a lot as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.